Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Jessica. My channel is Jessica Tyler on YouTube, and on my channel you'll find lots of cleaning motivation, lifestyle, and mommy videos. So if you're into those kind of videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. And this is a power hour, and it's also a collab with Erica. Her channel on YouTube is She Wolf Mom, and she has tons of great content, mommy stuff, and cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos, so much like my channel here on YouTube. So I know you guys will love her. After you finish watching this video, head on over to her channel and don't forget to let her know that I sent you. And if you are coming from Erica's channel, don't forget to comment down below and let me know where you're coming from so I can say hi to you and welcome you to my channel. So without any further ado, let's get into today's power hour. Okay guys, here's my power hour list. I have finished all of the dishes. I've already did one load this morning, and that's because last night I didn't feel like doing the dishes. So I finished those this morning, but I still have some left, so I want to get all of those finished. I want to vacuum the rug in the living room, and something that I've been putting off for a long time is go through Jack's clothes. So his clothes are in Aiden's room in the chest of drawers, and so I'm going to go through all of those. So that's kind of like something I've been dreading doing because it can be very time consuming, so I thought that'd be perfect to add on my power hour list. And I thought I'd go ahead and straighten under our TV console in the living room plus the drawers, and I have not looked at those drawers in such a long time, so that will take probably a little bit, I'm not sure. But under the TV console, I've added some DVDs back. Around Christmas, I had taken some out to decorate for Christmas and put our Snow Village in there. So I need to put those DVDs back, and this is the list. So I'm going to get started on this. At first I made an also list, shower and study for 30 minutes. As you guys might know, if you follow me on Instagram, I have started a career in real estate. So I have my classes finished. I'm waiting to take the exam now. So I've been studying, so that's why I have that on there. Although I'm not going to record that because that would be super boring. But I thought about putting my shower in the power hour because it is a snow day here, and I really did not want to take a shower today, but I knew I needed to because I am planning on getting out of the house today. Also, it is a snow day, so I could have easily kind of been like, oh, I haven't showered today, I'm not going to end up getting out. But anyways, that if I added my shower in the power hour, it took like 15 minutes to shower and get dressed. I don't have my makeup on or anything yet, but I don't know, I might just start the whole hour over so I can have more time to get this stuff done. But because obviously I paused the time to record this intro. Anyways, I'll show myself here in a minute and give y'all a proper intro, but this is what's on my list for now. So let's see if we can tackle this, see how long this stuff takes.
You should see the city lights tonight. I don't think they've ever burned this bright. Did you know when how everything would turn out? We learned to run, we learned to fight. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything.
I just want to apologize for saying the word so as many times as I have said it in this video. It is annoying, and I'm really watching myself in my voiceovers to not say that. You will have to bear with me. I apologize. I do want to tell you a little bit about what I'm doing here. This is where I put Jack's clothes, and so the top is socks and underwear and any accessories he might have. I will be honest, he does not wear the suspenders or the belt. We have those, I guess, in case he might need them. Sometimes we use that stuff for costumes if they have a certain day at school. So I said the word. Anyways, the next drawer is shirts. And then the third drawer is pants and shorts. And then fourth drawer is pajamas, which I skip and go to the fifth drawer here in a minute, but I do go back. And the fourth, like I said, is pajamas. And the bottom, I actually did not remember what I put in there, and it is baby books, sonograms, and some pictures. That is the perfect place for that stuff so it doesn't get bent or messed up. So I am going to leave those in there. But he does have more clothes than I thought he would have. This is all size 3T, and some were 4T and maybe 5T, and I try to stick the stuff that is super big in the very back until I can put those somewhere else. At the end, I do realize he has so many socks, and I'm saying that word again, so I'm going to get off here, but I will pop back on in a minute.
Below the surface, I wasn't okay. I made it look the way. I'm saying you deserved it. Sometimes it just happens that way. Sooner or later, we can become strangers. Someday, somewhere, we can be new again. We can be anything that we wanted to be back then. Just wait, just wait, just wait. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. Too soon to know we were in trouble. Too late to make it go away. You always try too hard to hide it. You made it easier each day. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through. If I only knew how to make it true, we could write a new ending for you. You can pick and choose. All you gotta do is play the whole thing through.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying?
So we obviously do not listen to CDs anymore. I know I don't. Jason might every once in a while. Actually, I don't know if he even has a CD player in his truck, so I don't know. And I said that word again. But I can't get rid of these for some reason. Do y'all still have your CDs from high school and college, or have you just totally gotten rid of them? Let me know down in the comments below, because as you can see, we have probably almost every CD we ever bought.
Every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, no, not yet. Whoa, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up.
I have a huge Disney DVD collection. I obviously started this back when DVDs were something that you bought. It was, I think, 2008. I was in a Disney movie club, and I probably have 60 or more Disney movies on DVD. That's what all of the DVDs on the bottom are. Those are all my Disney DVDs, and we have some other movies for the kids that they had when they were little, and then I have some Elvis DVDs. So if you didn't know, I am a huge Elvis fan, and so I do have some of his movies on DVDs, and Jason has some older movies that he has or has had for a while. But anyways, I'm going to head into the kitchen now and do the dreaded dishes. I've already, like I said, told you I did a load. You'll see whatever's in the dishwasher is what I did earlier today. And so I'm just going to finish these up, and that will be the end of my power hour. I'll jump on to tell y'all bye here shortly.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it. 'Cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, nah, nah,
got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and thank you if you're coming over from Erica's channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber, so don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and comment down below and let me know that she sent you over. And also, if you are from my channel, head on over to Erica's channel. I have it linked down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!